another super fun Read Write Ink Phonics class. Today we have a new sound, and that is the f sound. Very good. Flower. Well done. Fish. Good job. Fairy. Frog. Well done. Now I would like to draw a flower. Do you want to join me? Let's do it. Flower. Do you like my flower? Flower. Flower. Good job. I also have a picture of the flower. 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 Very good. Now, do you know how I write the f sound? I will tell you all about it. Now, I say down the stem and draw the leaves. Down the stem and draw the leaves. Down the stem and draw the leaves. Flower. Good. Oh, look at that. What do we have here? It looks exactly like it. Flower. Down the stem and draw the leaves. Magic fingers. Where are your magic fingers? Good. Down the stem and draw the leaf. Good job, girls. Now, I will pull up a number of cards, and I want you to point to the f sound when you say it. Are you ready? Set. Let's go. Good job, girls. Good job, children. Very good. Excellent work. Well done. Very good. Now, would you like to blend some words with the f sound? Let's go ahead and do it. Now, Fred is here to help us. So when I pull up each sound, I want you to Fred talk while I put it on the board, okay? Ready? Let's blend. Very good. E. Very good. Well done, children. Now, watch me, Fred, talk. My turn first. Thin. Your turn. Very good. My turn again. Thin. 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 Well done. Let's try another word. Very good. Oh. G. So, my turn first. Frog. Frog. Your turn. My turn again. Frog. Frog. Your turn. Good job. Frog. Frog. Well done. Let's try one more word. Oh, very good. Excellent. Good job, children. Well done. So now, watch me fret talk. Ready, Fred? Let's do it. Fold. Fold. Your turn. My turn again. Fold. Fold. Your turn. Good job. Fold. Fold. Well done. Now I have some words that I want you to fret talk, read the word. That means you need to fret talk each sound and then read the word. Okay, ready? Let's do it. Good fret talk, well done. Now I want you to go ahead and read the words without fret talk, okay? Ready? Let's go. Round of applause, children. Well done. That was really good. Now, are you ready for some really speedy reading? I need you to read these words as fast as you can. Ready, set, go. Yes, I knew you could do it because you're a superstar. Well done. I'm so proud. Now, are you ready to do some writing? Before we go any further, I would like you to get your pencil and your book ready because we're about to do some very fun writing. Now, the first word we're going to spell today is frog. So how many fat fingers do you think we need to pull up? 4 fat fingers, you totally guessed right. So let's spell the word frog. 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 Let's pinch it. Frog. Frog. Now write it down. So let's tick or fix. For the word frog, our first sound is f. And then we have r. We also have o and g. So go ahead and tick for f, tick for r, tick for o, and for g. Good job, girls. Now let's spell the word. What word do we spell now? Let's spell the word fan. Fan. How many fat fingers do you think we need to hold up for the word fan. 3 fat fingers. Now let's spell the word fan. Fan. Let's pinch it. Fan. Now write it down. Are you ready to tick or fix? Okay, let's go ahead and tick or fix. For the word fan, our first sound is Good. So go ahead and tick for and for fan. Our next word is from. Now, how many fat fingers should we hold up for the word from? 4 fat fingers. You definitely guessed right. So let's spell the word from. From. Let's pinch it. From. So go ahead and write it down. Are you ready to tick or fix? Now don't forget to fix. All you have to do is draw a line across the word and write it again if you didn't get it right, okay? So let's tick or fix. From. The first sound is From. So go ahead and tick for all, and for from. If you didn't get it right, just draw a line across and try again. Okay? Now I want you to think of 8 words with the sound in them and write it all down, and then pick 4 of those words and write sentences with them. Okay? Don't forget the proper handwriting that you have inside of you that I want you to really put together and write those lovely sentences, okay? On the nice straight line with capital letters to start with, finger spaces, and full stop, okay? I know you can do it because you are a superstar. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.